Last Sunday, mainland China opened up its free trade zone in Shanghai. Now that details about the zone's regulations are being made public, it's expected that China's ban on video game consoles will see major changes, if not overturned. According to the regulation, foreign companies registered in the Shanghai Free Trade Zone, or FTZ, are allowed to produce and sell game console products without administrative checks and approvals. This policy theoretically opens the door for a flood of foreign game companies and could wake up the Chinese industry. In China, computer games have been hugely popular, but the ban on video game consoles have left a gaping hole for the industry. Just a week earlier, China's leading internet television company, BONTV, announced it will form a joint venture company with Microsoft to produce and sell the video game consoles and related products in China. This news is a sign that the video game industry could explode in China after being held back for 13 years. As China Business News reported, since 2000, the Chinese government has completely prohibited foreign game console companies from selling their products in China. The Chinese government thought that foreign game consoles could be damaging to the mental health of citizens. This might seem strange considering that computer games were already popular in 2000. Also, parts of the consoles are assembled in mainland China. As prohibitions on any high-demand products go, a black market was created for the sale of consoles and games. But as of now, the country's gaming industry is still dominated by online games. This is likely due to the high cost of consoles and games on the black market. Also, a lack of video game outlet stores and marketing could be a major hindrance. The market for smuggled consoles isn't struggling too much, though. Statistical data from consulting agency Zero Power Intelligence shows that last year, over 4 million handheld and household gaming consoles were sold in China. The total sales volume reached around $500 million US. China has at least 20 million game console players. It's estimated the market size of the game console industry in China could reach 4 billion yuan, or $650 million US. Some might be suspicious of the Chinese government's ban on game consoles, since it's dominated by US and Japanese companies. Companies like Sony, Nintendo, and Microsoft are all major players in the market. There might be reasons for concern, since the prevalence of internet cafes used for gaming are extremely popular and are not banned. The government has never set any restrictions on online gaming. China's youth can play online games without any restrictions, so there's probably not that much government concern about the related mental health. Don't go away, because we'll continue to look at video game consoles. Stay tuned.